Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited. My Smartass and Sass for April just arrived. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so April's Smartass and Sass just arrived and I'm super excited to dive in and see what is in here. Of course, the box, you guys know I love classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. Then you have drop it like it's hot, but no, not really. It's fragile. That's my favorite one. Well-behaved women seldom make history. I do want to disclaimer that since this is my Smartass and Sass box, I may be saying, reading, or showing foul language. If you're not into foul language, you can go ahead and end now, no problem. You can watch the next one. But I'm going to disclaimer that in this video, you may hear words come out of this mouth that you normally don't in others. So that being said, let's get into it. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you to every single one of you guys. I was really nervous to do my video yesterday in my doo-doo balls, but like a lot of you guys are telling me you thought it looked really cute like that. So I may wear my hair like that more often. It was my chill day and I wasn't planning on filming, but you guys make me feel like it was okay. I think only one video I wore my hair up, and that was a vlog when I went to get a tattoo on the back of my neck. I wore my hair in a ponytail. Other than that, my hair's always down. So I was super nervous, but you guys made me feel like it was actually cute, so thanks. Let's go ahead and get in here. Here's this when you open it up. Here's the card that goes over the shirt. This one does have 3 different tiers for subscription options, and you can purchase things directly from their site. But they have a shirt only, a goods only, or the big box with the shirt and the goods, which that is what I received. So let's go ahead and get in here. This month's theme is domestic as hell. And that's what it looks like on top. I don't think we've received a white shirt before, so that's super exciting. So let's go ahead and open up the card. Let's get everything ready to start going over. Now let's go with the shirt. Right on top is the shirt, and it says, "Home is where the pants aren't." I still wear pants at home, but that is cute. Home is where the pants aren't. Home is where the pants aren't. Yes, exactly. And it is cute because it has like red and pink for the font. And there you go. So it looks like they're kind of like raised words. So there's the shirt, valued at $15.95 for the shirts. So there's item number 1. Now, number 2 says, "Drinks are on me. Wood and marble coasters, Smartass and Sass." That sounds really cool. I love cool coasters, so I'm super excited. It says drinks are on me. Drinks are on me on both of them. And so it's like half wood and half like stone almost. These say, "Drinks are on me coaster set from Smartass and Sass. These wood and marble coasters are classy and sassy. They'll keep your table in mint condition and your guests giggling. Each coaster has 4 feet for additional protection, size 4x4 and valued at $12. And this month, Smartass and Sass has a code HOMEY, HOMEY, for 20% off their shop. So if these are from Smartass and Sass, you can get them directly from their website and use HOMEY for 20% off. I do have their link down below that will take you directly to their site. So again, these are wood and marble coaster sets. These are super cute. And let me open one up so we can get the plastic off and we can see the true coaster. I like how it's like a twofer. It's wood and marble, but it's blended seamlessly. So there's that. Drinks are on me, and it is engraved in the wood, and then there's marble. So super cute. So there is item number 3. Now, here's the pin, and it says adult-ish. And they're now doing these big pins and putting a cool saying on them. This is adult-ish big click pin and clean dirty magnet from Smartass and Sass. So that would be this. Is this like for the washer and dryer? So you can say clean, or for the dishwasher, for clean or dirty. I don't have a dishwasher. I took my dishwasher out and put in cabinets. I wanted more storage because I don't use a dishwasher. I wash everything by hand. But this says damn dirty and squeaky clean. So this is for your dishwasher. So I will pass this down to somebody who does have a dishwasher. So you can put it this way when them all damn dirty, and put it this way when they are squeaky clean. So the magnet is valued at $5. Keep your dishwasher status straight with this printed magnet button. And then the pin is $1.50. So $5 and $1.50. All right, so now we have, ooh, what is this? I'm done adulting today. Peppermint eucalyptus soaking salts. Ooh, so that's that. This right here says it's valued at $8. I'm done adulting today. Botanically infused bath salts from Tub Tonics. Get skin soft and your mind uplifted. Each custom created salt soak is blended with pure grade essential oils and skin loving herbs and botanicals. This 6-ounce pouch is good for about 2.5 soaks. Scent is peppermint eucalyptus for $8. You can use code SASS30, SAS30 for 30% off at tubtonics.wixsite.com. tubtonics.wixsite.com. I don't even know if you guys were seeing it that whole time because I was reading. I was laying down. Let me smell this. Oh, it's completely sealed. Ooh, I smell it from, okay, here we go. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, that like cleared my senses smelling that peppermint and eucalyptus. Woo, that would make, yes, if you soak in this, you'll be like home. Very good. And again, that's valued at $8. Oh, it smells so good. Like it seriously like cleared my sinuses. All right, you guys. So now we have is a sponge caddy set. What? A sponge caddy set? What in the world is this? This is a sponge caddy set with frame from Fred. Each set includes 4 unique embroidered poly sponges with a PP gold frame and stand on your countertop or suction to your sink or tile. Valued at $13. You can get this from www.genuinefred.com. Let's open. And it says, dishes be damned, not gonna wash themselves, clean up your act, fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Like fuck and then a dish shit. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. And it does come with all those sponges in there. What? Okay, so this is the cutest and the most creative way to store your sponge in your sink. So it comes with this frame. Now with this frame, you can put the 2 suction cups back here, or you can slide this guy in somehow to have it sit on the counter. Okay, so it probably slides this way. Yes. So you can slide this in to kind of help stabilize it so it can sit. So you can just put it on your counter, or you can put these 2 guys in and you can suction it suction it to the side of your sink. But that is actually super creative. And then the sponges are fuck this shit, and it looks like an old school embroidery. So when you stick it in here, it's like the frame. So they give you 4 different really cute sponges that you can use in this set. That is super, super cute, you guys. So here is all of them. I love that one the best. Fuck this dish. Fuck dish shit. And it does have the little scrubber. That is super cute. I would probably just want to put this like for decoration, not really use a sponge, but that is just super cute. So yeah, so you can, like right here has this little thing. You can either set it on the counter or have it hang on the side of your sink, tile, or anything like that. So there's that guy, and that is valued again at $13 with the sponges and the frame. Super cute. Fuck this shit. I run on caffeine, chaos, and cuss words. Yes, I'll do. Yes, I'll do. Yes, I'll do. What is this? Okay, so we have a little plastic mug, and I use a big mug because I drink a lot of coffee, but I'll probably use this in my craft room, like as a pin, put my pins or something in it and not use it. Or maybe I'll use it as a cup. I don't know. It's small enough and it's plastic, so it's not going to break. But it says I run on caffeine, chaos, and cuss words. And it has these really pretty flowers, super cute. This is from Smartass Sass. Again, you can use Homie for 20% off their shop. This is a 14-ounce. Truer words were never spoken. These are the 3 things that fuel us. This mug is made so it's shatterproof and top rack dishwasher safe. It is not microwave safe though. The quote is opposite the handle with a wrapped floral graphic. So yeah, it's like back here. So it's opposite the handle. It's on that side. And this is valued at $15. This is super cute. I love the saying and I love the flowers. It just looks really pretty. Then we have, it says reusable snack bag. Snackcidents happen. There's that. Now this says snackcidents happen reusable bag from Smartass Sass. Keep your snacks looking cute. The bag is made from PUL cloth, which is non-toxic. It is PVC free, BPA free, and lead free. Care, turn them inside out and wipe clean or hand wash in cold water, air dry. Do not use a dryer. This is valued at 6.5 by 7 inches. It's $8 and you can get this from Smartass Sass. That is actually really, really creative because then you don't have to always use Ziploc bags or containers to have to wash for your snacks. You can just throw them in this bag. Ooh, and yes, it is like this little lining on the inside that can definitely be wiped out. And I think that's really, really cute. You can put a lot of snacks in there. I think that is really cute. I like the fact that you can use this bag and it's reusable and you just wash it than using all these Ziploc bags that you're throwing away and wasting money. So I really do like that. Now we have one more thing in here, you guys. This says complete before Netflix notepad from Holly Audley. And it says 50-page tasks I must complete before I can watch Netflix. I don't even watch Netflix, but it says boom, boom, congratulations, you may finally watch Netflix. So you write the date and I guess you write what things you want to get done. When you get them done, you can check them off to the side. So it's like a little check to-do list, but that's what that looks like. This cheeky notepad is the perfect way to put a smile on your face when doing perfectly mundane yet necessary tasks. It also makes a great gift for the sophisticated friend or family member. This is a 5.5 by 8.5 inch and it is valued at $13. And you can use code HOLLYO for 20% off the shop at hollyaudley.com. So there's that. So you have a little checklist. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. You have your checklist, which is really good. I mean, you don't even have to do it daily. You can put the date or you can just write down everything that you need to get done. And as you get it done, you check it off and you have 50 pages to do 50 different logs of it. So you have this. You have this really cute snack bag that I've never seen or heard of before, which I think that is genius because then you have one bag, you're not wasting plastic bags. You have this cutest thing ever for a way to present and display your dish sponge. This is so freaking cute. And of course, I still like, fuck this shit. I think that is just too freaking cute. You have this really neat magnet button that you can put on your dishwasher so you know if them bitches are clean or if they're just two dirty motherfuckers and you don't want to go near it. So that's really cool to have that pin to go up there. You have these 2 coasters, which are adorable. I love the fact that it is wood and marble and it's a seamless, like it is seamlessly put in. You can't even feel the break between them. And they do have the little 4 little feet on the bottom. So these are super cute. I really love that. I already know where I'm going to put those. You have these bath salts. No, you have bath salts that smell so freaking good. And you'll probably just get like this whole little home breathing in, clearing your sinuses, just making you feel nice and refreshed and rejuvenated. And then you have this really cute non-shatter proof mug, which has the really cute saying on it. And then we have the shirt. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box and all the goodies that we get? I love this box every single month. They make and find the most creative products, and I love that it has cuss words and snarky little sayings on them because that's just so me. Like, bitch, please. That is just me. So if you would like to know a little bit more about Smartass and Sass, I will let you know a thing or two right about now. I do have a code, which is new Sass, for 15% off. But if you're going to purchase anything from their shop, use their code this month, which is HOMEY, for 20% off their shop. You can use the link that I have down below in the description box. It'll take you straight to their website, and you can check out everything that they have to offer that you can purchase individually. They even have different curated boxes that you can do, like a one-time box. You can see what's in it, purchase it, and it's not a subscription or it doesn't lock you in. They're just individual items you can purchase. But if you want to go to the subscription, the shirt only is $15.95. It's a soft blended unisex shirt with extra small to 3XL sizing. You have the box subscription, which is $34.95, which is 5 to 7 full-size hilarious items without the shirt. Then you have the big box, which is the 5 to 7 items plus the shirt, and it is $49.95. So you get everything in the box and the shirt, and shipping is in addition. We love funny shit, cuss words, and treating ourselves. Smartass and Sass is a gift and subscription service with Snark. We have monthly subscription options along with one-time theme boxes and products available directly from our website. Smartass and Sass curates boxes full of hilarious hand-picked products made by artisans and small businesses and themselves. You'll receive 4 to 8 full-size products to use while laughing your way through life. Smartass and Sass was created by us, Kim and Abby. We've been friends for 25 years and are silly weirdos who love to laugh. Boxes generally ship between the 16th and 18th of every month. And I do love that it's two best friends that do this. They're super cute. They even have on their Instagram, they'll show little spoilers, that kind of thing. So if you are into knowing what's in your box, definitely follow them on Instagram, and then you can see their spoilers that they do and the live videos showing you what's in the box, that kind of thing. Super cute. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.